South America, amazing places to know. The gastronomy of Peru has a great variety of dishes. It is one of the most famous in the world for its rich flavors, and of its typical dishes is cuy. Should not be returned from Peru without having tasted this delicious. Peru has great places to visit, from Cusco, Al Suiquitos, Valle del Colca, Lake Titicaca, Arequipa, and it is essential to visit the oasis of Huacachina for the lover of archaeological mysteries at the lines of Nazca. Here, without a doubt, the most famous of all Machu Picchu. In Peru, there are different fun activities for the everyone. You can go to visit the great places ranch. You can hire a tourist guide to visit the most famous places. You can also dive, bike, quad bike, and canoeing. The gastronomy of Argentina is based of mostly roast, are specialists in meats and wines. There is rich variety of dishes based on this theme. On the most consumed drinks is mate. Many people in Argentina consider it medicinal. In Argentina there is very famous festival called folklore. The whole country celebrates it. There are very nice events for everyone. It takes place in the month of January in the city of Cosquín. It is an event to enjoy and know the folklore of Argentina. As all the countries of South America, Argentina has many places for tourists to enjoy. Among the among which is going to the capital Buenos Aires, go to Bariloche, Ushuaia, and the most attention calling is the Iguazu National Park, located on the border with Brazil. There you can find unique species in the world. Chile cuisine stands out for its flavor and colors, the product of the combination of ingenious tradition throughout Chile. Together with the Spanish colonial contribution, combining in food, costume, and gastronomic habits. From its capital Santiago to the desert through the melancholy Patagonia, Chile is a beautiful country that is crying out for exploration. Among its main attractions are Easter Island and its mythicus Moais Firth. Then there is the Parque Nacional Torres del Paine. Also visit its capital Santiago de Chile and many other great places. Chile is challenging activities for people who like adrenaline and sports, such as paragliding, the beach of Iquique, planning tug, planning through the Atacama Desert, surfing in Pichilemu to the W circuit in Las Torres del Paine, was the sunset, the Valley of the Moon, and many other activities. I like to know places where there are many things to do. I like to walk the trail and forest, also where there are lakes. To place where I like there are many buildings and there is like little space. I also like to try different and exotic foods. I like to explore different cultures. I like football is one of my favorite sports. Where will you recommend me to from these three places? What will you recommend me to do there? Thank you.